2 dishes, 1 pure veggies and a mix of meat and veggies in 50 minutes. Let's do it. 400 grams of stir-fried veggies, rutabaga, carrots, and bell pepper. Pork veggies stew, 1 pork chop and 200 grams of veggies. We've washed and pat-dried these vegetables. Here are the carrots, red bell pepper, rutabaga, yellow bell pepper. We cut the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. The carrots, the bell peppers, the rutabaga. These are the vegetables we've cut. Aromatics would include 3 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, and 1 ginger. That pork neck meat is 180 grams. Trim the meat from the bone and cut the pork chop into uniform thin slices. We heat the pan and then put oil, after which we saute the garlic, the onions, and the ginger. We start cooking the dishes simultaneously. As for the stir-fried veggies, in pan number 1, season with salt and pepper and add a bit of dark soy sauce. Add a cup of water after 2 minutes. And then cover the pan. Add in pan number 2 the thin pork slices and the bone and cook for 3 to 6 minutes until brown on both sides. And when you see the meat juices come out of the meat, season with salt and pepper and other herb mixes you prefer. I added in about 200 grams of veggies while browning the meat to strengthen the veggie flavor in the stew. Use the boiled water from the pan with the stir-fried veggies to be the soup base for the pork veggie stew. You can also use a teaspoon of fish sauce for richer flavor, as well as 2 tablespoons of vinegar to help neutralize the odor of the meat and help it to become juicier and more tender. Add 1 to 2 small cups of water, cover the pan, and bring to a boil under high heat, 8 on my induction stove. When the meat has boiled for about 25 minutes, add in the tomato paste or any kind of tomato sauce. Even ketchup would do if you lack tomato paste during the time you're cooking this. Stir to mix the tomato paste more evenly and reduce the heat to medium-low, 7 on my induction stove. Cover the pan, and after 10 more minutes, it should look like this. Taste it, it's done. The stir-fried veggies would look like this after 2 to 3 minutes in the other pan. Is it good, Chara?
Yeah.
My dear? I continued discussing with my hubby about the things I prepared that day. That pure vegetables would be good, but vegetables with meat would also be okay. And in the middle is cold rice, which they say has resistant starch, which is good for colon health. But that would be for another video. For now, if you've liked my video, please subscribe. Thanks for today.